So I finally got the Samsung dishwasher installed, and I will go through the installation in another video. I will. So as far as some of the controls here, you can see the Samsung. There's your typical power. So there's the auto cycles, the normal, heavy, express, which is 60 minutes. And that actually is a little bit over 60 minutes. I think it takes about 70 minutes from when I used it. You know, high temp steam wash, the sanitize, and the heated dry. And then the delay starts. And also just the start and cancel button. So just keep in mind also when you're installing it to leave a finger's room of space to do the cancel. And as far as the insides here, you know, this is the vent for the steam. You can see the vent on the outside. Now what I really like about this is the bar. So I specifically got one for the bar so that I could put a hand towel on here. Except that this stainless steel is a little bit tough to wash. You know, it's not the hardest stainless steel that I've had to wash, but it's also not the easiest. It's not you know, spot-free stainless steel. Now, for this here, you know, you have the detergent. So that's how you know, sort of shut it off. You put the detergent in. So what you got here is the drying agent that you could put in. And one thing that I did want to mention here is there's actually a filter. So you could see here along the way there's a removable filter that you could take out and you could clean. You could see there's a little bit water there. There's also an overflow or a leak detection. Now safety mechanism there, but that is the filter that you have, and you could see that you could take that out and clean it. So, and that's not the end of it. You could clean this. That actually fastens these in place. You could clean this, take this out, clean the filter, and then at the bottom here you could also clean this particular item. And you could see, you know, there's water at the bottom. You always want to know, you do want to put those clips under and then rotate this back in. And you know, this sort of only goes in one way, so you know, once you have it seated, it's nice and tight, and you can shake it around to test it out. Now this thing I tested empty, which makes it kind of pretty loud. And this here, you could adjust the heights. So if I took this out here, let's see from the other side, if I took this out, I could actually put it in two-wheel orientations and actually put in, you know, full, basically, you see the space here where I could actually put in a full plate at the top. So this is actually pretty decent, you know, with the spoon holders here. You can see the spoon holders. And you know, just the way these things are oriented, if that is of a concern to you. But that is amazing space, just the amount of amazing space at the top. You know, if you want to, you know, it's not just for little things. And at the bottom here, and this here is plastic, you know, but that's very typical of more modern dishwashers. So that's an amazing amount of space. And what you will notice here is that even though the interior is plastic there, that this here is stainless steel on the door. And if I just close this up. Now the only thing of concern here is that the closing lip here is plastic, which is again very typical of today's dishwashers, which is a little bit of a concern. because, you know, will it survive 1,000 openings and closings? Which I suppose, you know, they've tested. So in any case, you know, that's really it, and I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.